Here's how we're gonna find this noise on this GT500. Just making a knocking noise over here on this driver's side head. We got the valve cover off. We're gonna attempt to run this thing, see how big of a mess we can make with oil. Bust it off, Jamie. Be ready to cut it quick though. Rev it up. All right, whoa. Lifter collapse. Finally got down to the issue. Here is a lifter that was losing prime. Watch as I move it up and down with my finger. All right, let's go directly to the next lifter over and you'll see that this one does not move up and down. Not supposed to move up and down like that. That was what was causing our noise when the engine got hot. Going in and out on this one. Here's a new one. See the difference. What's the difference in the size of the lifters? Intake, exhaust. The difference in the size of the lifters. Why? I have no earthly idea. 5 grenade coming out. As you can see now, there is no more knock.
You ain't used to it?
Yeah, I really ain't used to it, man. I'm used to that 10 speed, man. This thing is pretty slow though, I ain't gonna lie.
Disappointed.
GT500 ain't where it's at, man. F-150. Telling y'all, 4-wheel drive F-150 walkers.